Color surrounds us everywhere, shaping how we perceive the world. From the deep blue of the ocean to the vibrant red of a rose, colors evoke emotions and influence behavior. But have you ever wondered how our eyes actually see and interpret color? The journey of color begins with light, specifically visible light, which is a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light ranges from wavelengths of about 380 nanometers, which is violet, to 700 nanometers, which is red. Every color we see corresponds to a specific wavelength of light within that range. When light strikes an object, some wavelengths are absorbed while others are reflected. The colors we see are the wavelengths that bounce off and reach our eyes. For instance, a leaf appears green because it reflects green light and absorbs most other wavelengths. Our eyes contain specialized cells called photoreceptors in the retina, which detect light. There are two main types, rods and cones. Rods help us see in low light, while cones are responsible for detecting color and fine details. Humans typically have about 120 million rods and 6 million cones in each eye. Rods are highly sensitive to light but do not perceive color. Cones, on the other hand, function best in bright conditions and allow us to distinguish different colors. There are three types of cone cells, each sensitive to different ranges of wavelengths: red, green, and blue. These are often referred to as L cones for long, M cones for medium, and S cones for short. The combination of their activity allows us to perceive millions of colors through a process called trichromatic vision. When light enters the eye, it passes through the cornea, then the pupil, and is focused by the lens onto the retina. The retina converts this light into electrical signals. These signals are then sent through the optic nerve to the brain for interpretation. Our brain's visual cortex, located in the occipital lobe, processes these signals to create the colors we experience. It combines information from both eyes to produce depth, brightness, and hue perception. This process happens almost instantly, allowing us to react to color in real time. The brain doesn't just passively receive color, it actively constructs it. Depending on lighting conditions, surrounding colors, and context, the brain adjusts our perception. This explains optical illusions where the same color may appear different under various circumstances. White light, such as sunlight, actually contains all the colors of the spectrum. When it passes through a prism, it splits into a rainbow of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This phenomenon, called dispersion, demonstrates how different wavelengths bend at different angles. Colors can also mix in two main ways: additive and subtractive. Additive color mixing occurs with light, such as on computer screens, combining red, green, and blue to make white. Subtractive color mixing happens with pigments, where cyan, magenta, and yellow combine to absorb light and create darker tones. Interestingly, we don't all see color the same way. Some people experience color blindness, a condition where one or more types of cones don't function properly. The most common form is red-green color blindness, which affects how those hues are distinguished. So, color perception can also be influenced by age, health, and environmental factors. As we get older, the lens of the eye can yellow, filtering some blue light and, subtly changing how we see colors. Certain medications and eye conditions can also alter how colors appear. Animals perceive color differently from humans. For example, dogs are mostly dichromatic, meaning they see a limited range of colors, primarily blues and yellows. Birds and some insects, however, can see ultraviolet light, giving them access to colors beyond human vision. In dim light, our color vision weakens because the rods, not the cones, take over. This is why everything appears grayish at night, a phenomenon known as scotopic vision. Only when light levels increase do our cones re-engage, restoring full color vision. The emotional and psychological effects of color are also, honestly, pretty profound. Warm colors like red and orange can stimulate energy and passion, while cool tones like blue and green promote calm and relaxation. Our brains associate colors with feelings, memories, and even physical responses. Color vision also helps humans survive and adapt. Early humans likely evolved color perception to distinguish ripe fruits, healthy plants, and environmental dangers. Today, our sensitivity to color continues to guide our decisions, from choosing food to interpreting signs and symbols. Modern technology mimics human color perception through digital systems like RGB, that's red, green, blue, and CMYK, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. These systems reproduce color on screens and in print by simulating how our eyes mix light and pigment. This technology powers everything from photography to virtual reality. The study of color perception, called colorimetry, actually bridges physics, biology, and psychology. Scientists use this field to design better lighting, accurate displays, and even vision therapies. Understanding how we see color helps improve both health and technology. Our ability to see color is a marvel of nature, a complex collaboration between light, eyes, and brain. Every shade and hue we perceive is the result of millions of years of evolution and sophisticated neural processing. The next time you look at a sunset, remember your eyes and brain are painting that masterpiece together.